Good morning. I am trying, well, let me first say I do not own rights to this music. This is music that I listen to when I'm working. I have spent the better part of today disassembling a bed that I previously made that's actually on my channel, and I'm going to be remaking it and making it better and with more measurements and more information, so it's actually useful besides just an idea. So these are the pallets that I had. This is a pallet with nails. I'm going to be today showing you how to disassemble pallets and take the nails out the right way. Safety first. Make sure you have something so if something drops on your feet, it doesn't hurt. You have gloves. I can't find ones with the leather thing, like a rubbery kind of feel. That would be better to have. So I just want to have something. So I put these on. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment below. Okay, so I went and brought one of these yesterday from Lowe's because I didn't feel like waiting on Amazon to send it, which is where I usually get everything from. And this is gonna do both. Get the pallets out and get these nails out because I nailed these in to make it like a little concoction I thought would work. That's not really all that great. So you're gonna get that under there and then it'll come out. There you go. So, and you need one of these mallets for when you get here to get the pallet out. Okay. So you need shoes. And now because this one is so far in, I'm gonna have to nails out, stickers out. Put it somewhere safe, away, and now we're going to work on getting the pallets out. You're gonna try to drive it in there a little bit. And just lift it. Not like breaking it. So then you want to try to drive it in this side. This is why you need the mallet. And you just want to work around all the sides so you don't break it. If you want to save this wood. This one actually has a lot of nails in it, so that's what the hold it is. Pause it. Okay, so it took a little bit, but I had to just like slowly crank it because I want to still be able to use this. So now I'm gonna move down here. Just loosen it. Move down here and I'm going to loosen this part. The reason why I started with this one is because this one I don't really need, but if you would have started here, that definitely would have made it easier to grip underneath and all of that. So the basic thing is mallet, boom, 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 lift a little without cracking it or breaking it, and just take your time. Don't like rush it or else you'll crack it. But if you don't need it, then it won't matter, but if you're pulling apart, most likely you do. So I'm gonna finish doing this and let my daughter get back to doing what she was doing because it's my cameraman today. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and wait on the new bed to come.